So Lenovo showed off not one, but two rollable concepts at CES. We'll start off with the gaming one, the Legion Pro Rollable. Now what's pretty cool about this is using what they call a pure sight OLED gaming display, which you see right here on this laptop. It is a 16-inch display. But let's say you want to get a little more screen real estate. Tap a couple buttons and you get up to a 24-inch widescreen display right there on the laptop. I think this is so cool, especially for gamers that really want to have that immersive experience. Also content creators, when we want to be able to sort of get that extra screen real estate, I think this is going to be a pretty cool thing to sort of have here. So I really like this concept here, being able to have all that and be able to keep it in a compact size and take it with you on the go. So the ThinkPad Rollable XD concept is pretty interesting. It's sort of this dual rollable display. You have a user-facing display, which starts off at 13 inches, but on the back, there is what they're calling a world-facing display. And that back of that display is pretty cool because you can put different widgets and different things there in the back, such as notes. If you want to put, the weather, or you want to put something like dates or anything you need back there, you can interact with the Cure Assistant back there as well too. There's actually some translation software you can use, and you can use that to translate and talk between different people. They demoed that, but it was a little loud in the space they were at to kind of really show that to you kind of fully. But what's really cool here is at the top, which is touch sensitive, is you just make a swipe and that screen scrolls up from 13 all the way to 16 inches while still keeping that world-facing display on the back that you can customize as well, put different messages, put videos, whatever you want on it right there on the back. And it's just that simple, that easy to do. I think these are two pretty cool concepts. I love seeing these things and they're being actually usable, and when they eventually end up in sort of a final product that's going to go out to consumers, I'm really kind of excited to see where these things go and how people use these things. Let me know what you guys think about this. What do you think about each one of these sort of rollable display concepts? Would you use either one, and why? Post in the comments below and let me know what you guys think. And always remember to live your tech world in high definition.